In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play My Hero Mania. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access and play the My Hero Mania experience. All that you have to do is open Fortnite on any platform, so PC like I'm doing here, mobile, or even console, and using the search function, look for the experience My Hero Mania. Once you find it, you will be able to go ahead and enter. It should be the first one to pop up. So you can double check by the fact that it has more than 200 million visits, and all that you have to do now is go ahead and join. You can take a look at the controls if needed. So as you can see, you can press M to open the menu, Q to dash, F to block, Shift to run, and you can click to punch or do M once if you are familiar with that terminology, and then you will be able to start playing. So immediately upon joining, you will get this pop-up, join the group to earn the daily rewards. This isn't needed, but you can go ahead and join if you would like, and then you can spin to get your first power. So go ahead, click spin and see what you get. Keep in mind that during the time that I'm recording this video, the name for the experience has changed. So instead of being titled My Hero Mania, it is actually titled Heroes World, as you saw when I joined. And now, as soon as you get your first power, you will be good to go. You can move around and talk to the NPCs. You will be able to get instructions on how to become strong. You will learn new abilities, level up, and so on. You can interact with other players, and to begin, you will have the PvP shield, as you can see at the bottom there, and you will be able to turn it off at level 30. So you do have to get some levels before you are able to combat other players, and you will be able to get instructions on what to do to get stronger. You can walk around, complete these quests, interact with others, unlock new abilities, and it is a very well-made experience. So look for Heroes World, go ahead and join, and you will be good to go to play the experience. I hope I was able to help you on how to play My Hero Mania. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.